Direct communication is straightforward and unambiguous, where the speaker says exactly what they mean. In contrast, indirect communication involves subtle hints, suggestions, or nonverbal cues to convey a message. Understanding these styles is crucial in any relationship, whether it's between a boyfriend and girlfriend or a husband and wife. Effective communication is essential for a healthy any kind of relationship. Misunderstandings frequently occur when two people have different communication styles, which can lead to conflict and frustration. By understanding the nuances of direct and indirect communication, couples can improve their interactions, fostering greater intimacy and understanding. In this video, we will explore the biological, psychological, social, and cultural foundations of communication styles. We'll delve into how these styles manifest in romantic relationships, the pros and cons of each approach, and the impact on mental and physical health. Additionally, we'll include expert insights, practical tips, and a look at the future of gendered communication. From an evolutionary standpoint, men and women developed different communication strategies to adapt to their roles in survival and reproduction. Men often adopted direct communication for hunting and protecting, while women developed indirect communication to maintain social bonds and nurture. Hormones like testosterone and estrogen play a significant role in shaping communication styles. Higher levels of testosterone in men are linked to assertiveness and directness, while estrogen in women is associated with empathy and more nuanced communication. Research suggests that male and female brains are wired differently, influencing how they communicate. Men tend to process language in one hemisphere, leading to more direct communication. In contrast, women often use both hemispheres, allowing for more complex and indirect communication styles. Cultural expectations often dictate how men and women communicate. In some cultures, men are encouraged to be direct and assertive, while women are expected to be more passive and indirect. These norms can reinforce gendered communication styles. From a young age, boys and girls are socialized differently, affecting their communication patterns. Boys are often taught to be straightforward and competitive, while girls are encouraged to be nurturing and considerate, leading to more indirect communication. Media portrayals of men and women often reinforce stereotypes about communication. For instance, men are frequently shown as decisive and blunt, while women are depicted as emotional and subtle. These representations can influence how individuals communicate in real life. In early romantic relationships, communication styles can play a pivotal role. A boyfriend may express his feelings directly, while a girlfriend might drop hints or use nonverbal cues. Understanding these differences can prevent miscommunication and tend to make a stronger bond. As relationships mature into marriage, communication styles can either strengthen or strain the relationship. A husband's directness might clash with a wife's indirect approach, leading to conflicts. Recognizing and adapting to these styles is key to maintaining a healthy marriage. Studies show that couples who understand and respect each other's communication styles tend to have higher relationship satisfaction. Direct communicators appreciate clarity of intentions, while indirect communicators value empathy and fineness. For example, a man's direct approach might be seen as insensitive, while a woman's indirectness might be perceived as evasive. The way we communicate can significantly impact our stress levels. Direct communicators might experience stress when dealing with indirect responses, while indirect communicators might feel overwhelmed by directness. Effective communication is crucial for mental well-being. Misunderstandings and conflicts arising from different communication styles can lead to anxiety, depression, and strained relationships. Chronic stress from poor communication can also affect physical health, leading to issues like high blood pressure, heart disease, and weakened immune function. A case study involving couples therapy revealed that when partners adjusted their communication styles to be more aligned, relationship satisfaction improved dramatically. To improve communication in relationships, Partners should strive to understand each other's preferred styles and adapt accordingly. Active listening and empathy are crucial in bridging the communication gap between two or more people. A balanced approach that incorporates both direct and indirect communication can be highly effective. For example, starting with indirect cues and then clarifying with direct statements can ensure that the message is both gentle and clear. Pay attention to your partner's nonverbal cues and the context of their communication. Understanding these aspects can help you respond more appropriately and strengthen your relationship. Research in communication is increasingly focusing on the role of technology in shaping how we interact. As digital communication becomes more prevalent, understanding these trends will be essential. With the rise of text messaging and social media, communication styles are evolving. Direct and indirect communication are blending in new ways, creating unique challenges and opportunities for future interactions. Direct and indirect communication styles each have their strengths and weaknesses. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective interaction in romantic relationships. To truly appreciate the nuances of communication, it's essential to experience both direct and indirect styles. This experience can help individuals adapt their communication to different situations, leading to more harmonious relationships. Take some time to reflect on your own communication style and how it aligns with your partner's. By adapting and finding a balance, you can improve your relationships and overall well-being. So, what do you think? Differences between communication styles between men and women, its impact on relationships. Share your experiences in comments below. If you find these advices helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more tips.